Have you ever wondered how to tweak the profile of your brush, but didn't know how to do that? Well, I found myself in this exact situation just a few days ago, when during a stream one of my subscribers asked how to tweak a damn standard brush. They felt that the cuts it made were too wide and deep by default, so they had to use it along with a pinch brush to make it tighter. That caught me off guard. I had no idea, so I had to play with the brush settings after the stream, and here are my findings. First, I'll duplicate the damn standard brush and work on a copy to show you the difference between the two in the end. I also find it safer to work on a clone in case anything goes wrong. The first setting I tweak is the brush modifier. According to Pixelogic's documentation, on a standard brush it controls the amount of pinching, so let's crank it all the way up. Now the main change will take place in the curve palette of our brushes menu. Let's reset it to defaults and then make the curve really tight, like this. This will alter the profile of our brush and make it tighter. We can play with this curve and achieve different looks for our brush strokes, and now you can see how different our modified brush looks compared to our default damp standard. This isn't limited to damp standard brush, you can experiment with this curve to achieve different looks for different brushes. I hope this helps and thanks for watching.